guys, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm here in my bathroom. That's why I'm resonant. My new Ipsy bag came in the mail, so I thought that I would show it to you. I have not seen it, I just opened it, so. Ooh, look at the zipper pull. It's a Tetris piece. Yay. Okay, so first, these came in the mail, or came with it. They are sheet masks. Sweet Honey Bear face mask is soothing and nourishing. Look at me Aqua Moisture Raccoon face mask. So there's two different kinds in here, so that's cool. So I saw this in my email that when they shipped it out, that I was getting this. It is lip fondant. When I told him I was getting lip fondant, he was like, it's called Sweet Tooth. Makes sense. Ooh, I'm excited. So it's like a liquid lipstick basically, but it's got the coverage of kind of like a stain. I saw online that's what they're like. Yay! I love brushes. It's an all-over shadow brush. That's good because brushes are good. We need those. Tetris eyeshadow. I really wanted to buy the Tetris full palette, but being in Canada, I can't do the Ipsy shopper, unfortunately, for some reason. Don't ask me why. I don't get it. That is a really cool color. It's eyeshadow, and I love that it's my game. That's so cute. And it's got a nice magnet. It's like a really skookum box. Ooh, the last thing we have is Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF. SPF 15 it says. Well, I'm gonna put this stuff on now. See you shortly. That looks really pretty. Ooh, another brush.